Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about how to create a bar graph. So basically what we will do here, first I have created an array starting from 0 goes till the 5 as the locations. I am specifying location 0, location 1, location 3, and location 4. Similarly, I have the data for the expenditure done by male, which is as this, and by female as this array. Now I want to plot and visualize in which area, what is the not the percentage, what is the visuals that we will get when we plot the bars for each of them. So what we have done, we have used the bar functions called as C, which is the specifying the location, M as the expenditure done by male. We have taken its width, this width as zero point 0.2 and color as blue. Similarly, we have done for female as well, but we have considered bottom of male as the reference. As you can see in all the graphs, the females have started where the male have ended. So then we have the legends, which signifies that the blue color is for male and the red color is for female. This is all about the bar graph in Python.